Hello everyone, my name is Dolo S Tokpah, and again I'm glad to be here with you today, and I'll be contributing immensely today to you in the areas of mathematics. As you can see, it is mathematics tutorial, and don't forget after the session to log on to my YouTube channel, www.supermath. So we're going to get it started. Okay, thank you. And it is a mathematics tutorial, like I said. So basically, we will be solving a problem in Binomial Series. I have developed a method that is unknown to the world as a way of contributing to the mathematical world. So the topic here is Binomial Series. On this topic, there are a series of questions that can be given in this particular topic, and let's take a clear look at this question. The question says, find the fourth term of the binomial series, and the series here is parenthesis will be s cubed plus w the closest to the 7th power. Like I said to you, there are several methods in solving this problem, and universally there are 4 known methods. You can search in all of great mathematics books, you'll see methods, but the method I'm going to give you today is a method that I have searched, done a research, have not found in another book. I created it over time as my way of contributing to the mathematical work, and to help you make your mathematics skills very efficient. Don't forget, after all, to log on to my YouTube channel. So basically, this problem, there are like 4 methods. You can use the Binomial Theorem to solve this problem. You have the answer. You can also use the handy Computational Pattern. We'll give you the answer. You can use summation, and finally you can also use the Pascal Triangle. But the method I'm going to give you today, it is a method that is different from this method, and you're going to really love it because it is one of the easiest methods that will add up to your mathematics skills. This is the method, Dolo S pattern, as you can see, and let's get started. In this method, the first thing we're going to do is we select our data. Now we got data. In selecting your data, the first thing you should consider, because the Binomial series is in the form parenthesis only a plus b equals all raised to the n power. And we look at the position here, we look at the position of s cubed plus w all raised to the power 7. All of them have a position. So that means our a going to be x cubed. After that, we got b. B will be equal to w. N will be equal to 7. You can see the problem. After that, the term that has been asked for will be error, will be equal to 4, because you are asked for the 4th term. From this process now, you start your solution, which is a very easy way to find the 4th term using the Dolo S pattern. Now, in our solution, we have the n row or the 7th row, which have to do with the 7th row of the Pascal Triangle. Using the method of Pascal Triangle is universally known. And then we have the power of a. We're going to do it bit by bit. So the 7th row is 1, 7, 21, 35, 21, series raw of the Pascal Triangle using the method of Pascal Triangle. So we got this. After this, we have the powers of A. Now, the powers of A, you're going to start from the left side with 7 in a descending order to 0. What do I mean? Very easy. This is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And it should be done in an order until you can see the sequence is very clear. And after that, we come down to the powers of A. We finish with that. We now come to the values of A. Value of A is determined from the data we just set up. We said A is equal to x to the third power, or x cubed. So it means that in a sequential order, you're going to place x cubed beneath all the values until you get it finished. Very easy. Let's get it done. We say s cubed, 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 s cubed. These are the values of A. We done with the values of A. Everything is in order. Very easy to understand. We now come to the powers of B. Now, we started from the left here with 7 in descending order to 0 to represent the powers of A. Now for the powers of B, we're going to start with 0 in ascending order to represent the powers of B. Let's get it done. So we got 0, we got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4, 5, we got 6. Finally 7. So very easy. We are done with this and we get to the next stage. Next and final stage is the values of B. In our data, we set B. We know that B is equal to W. The same we did with the values of A. That's how we do it. Very easy. So everywhere you see the sequence of the number, we just pull out the values of B. Finally, we're going to run it. Sorry, we get the whole thing online so that we can have our answer very simple. And you're going to love it. It's very easy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, www.supermath. Every Saturday, we will be updating you with a new method, the simplest form of methods that will help to improve your mathematics skills. Finally, yes, our answer comes very easy. Now, in the data, we were asked to find the fourth term. The question said find the fourth term of the Binomial Series. So, since we were asked to find the fourth terms, we start counting from the left side 1 to the fourth term of this series. So that means we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got it here. Now, just skillfully sample this term. This is the term we're going to be dealing with for our answer. Now, our answer is the first thing we consider the raw. At the fourth position, 535 is at the fourth position of the series raw of this entire problem we solved from using the Pascal Triangle. So we consider 35. Our answer will be 35 times, we use parentheses, the values of A. So we say A, we're going to get a value, don't worry. A has the power of 4 here. A to the 4 power times, we're going to B has the power of 3. And finally, this value here is, we say 35. The value for A is 1 s cubed, but it has the powers of 4, so we include our 4 as a power time B. The values of B is W has the power of 3. This is our final answer, 35 Now, x cubed, you multiply the power using the power rule. 3 times 4 up here will give you x to the 12th power and w to the 3rd power. This is our final answer. You can see here, our answer finally is 35 x to the 12th power w cubed. So I hope you will enjoy it. This is a very simple math methods that I will introduce called the Dolo S pattern. You can enjoy it. If there's any comment, you can log down the comment at my comment section, the button below. And don't forget to log on to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that every Saturday you will have new methods.